This is my very favorite view of the garden. It's morning. I think it's like 8:30. It's gonna be hot and humid, but things are looking really pretty. I watered last night, so I'll take a quick look around. Got some, I think they're Stella d'Oro lilies and some stargazer lilies. I certainly don't know all the names of the flowers, but I'll do my best. Some sort of hydrangea, I don't know. And some purple ones that are really, you tell me, you guys, leave me comments. These purple ones are really finicky. They need to be watered like continually. I do not have drip irrigation. I water by hand. That's kind of a pain in the butt, but it works until we figure something else out. And then of course some petunias and yeah, I'm just really not good at all the names. There's some, they're getting ready to open what Shasta daisies. Oh my gosh, Shasta daisies. We put the rock border in this year and it's so pretty. I'm so glad we did that. It really defines the space nicely. More stargazers and Stella d'Oros. A lot of repetition here. Bird bath penny. Okay, there's my knockout rose. I have some cone flowers coming up. And then last year, no, 2 years ago, we moved a bunch of the black-eyed Susans from the front yard to back here. So first I thought they died, but they took them a while, but they rallied. And then some baptisia, which is done flowering, of course. And silver mound, which I think is so pretty. It just looks so nice. Nice texture, nice color. More of these little purple ones that I forget what they are, that are so finicky. More Shasta daisies. And then, let's see, we have some sedum. Don't remember the variety or the name. I should get better at this. Maybe I will someday. Penstemon. I think those are really pretty. Dahlias. Planted those in a few different spots. And I have some Veronica coming, starting to open, which are so pretty. I have some salvia back there, really nice. Some ornamental onion. Again, if you know all the names, please let me know, because I'm kind of new to gardening. I'm kind of new to this type of gardening where I really am going crazy in the flower beds. So don't recall what these ones are. I need a lot of help, you guys. Hostas, of course. And then these ones back here, I believe they're called liatris. They get tall and spiky with pink spiky flowers. Don't remember what these are. They're done doing their thing. And here's one. I don't know if I planted something back here last year, 3 somethings, and I lost probably 2 of them, and I don't know if this one is a weed or if it's one of the ones I planted. I guess I come closer and see if you guys can tell me if you'd be so kind and let me know actually what it is. I think it's probably a weed, but it really, really has a thick stem on it. I don't know if you can see it, but so I've kind of been leaving it to see what it was gonna do. So that's probably a mistake, but that's what I'm doing. Here's a climbing hydrangea that I've had, oh gosh, since we moved in here, which is close to 20 years or over 20 years, actually. It's never flowered. It used to be more in shade. We used to have some pine trees back here, but as they're dying off, this is turning into a really full sun garden. So planted some yarrow, some Russian sage. I don't know the name of that willow bush in the corner. The stumps need to be moved. One day they will be. And then, yeah, some more dahlias down here. Pretty. And then these are, I think they're called alyssum. I don't know if that's a pretty common name for them, but that's what I think they are. So I apologize to all you avid gardener fans out there, gardening fans out there, that I'm so bad at this, but I'll learn. And then over here, I think these are called evening primrose, and I bought them last year and I really fell in love with them because this year they spread and they bloomed and they're so pretty. There, I just love the pop of light pink color. And I have more baptisia, some clematis on the fence over there, more Stella Diora lilies, and then gosh, the lily of the valley have just taken over the corner of the yard over there. Next year I'm going to do something different with that, but I don't know what. So yeah, so that's pretty much my favorite corner of the yard. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour when I really don't know what I'm talking about, but you get to see my little corner of the world, my gardening world. Here's a view from the other direction, looking back the way we came. So anyways, I hope you liked it. Sorry, like I said, sorry I'm not as knowledgeable as I should be if I'm giving a garden tour. But again, I'll improve, I hope. Hope you guys have a nice day. Take care. Bye.